Easy Start remote starter for Toyota RAV4 2019 and up. So you have to connect plugs here on the left side on the steering wheel behind your on your foot well, and two on the right side. Well, those on the left side, they are not so easy to access, but yes, you can do it. It is doable, easy to identify. You just, okay, let me show you. You pry out this panel on the side, then unscrew a few bolts here, one here. It is 10 millimeter screw, and then the one here, it is normal Phillips drive screw like this. You unscrew that and you pull here and here on the side, just horizontally pull out. You know, you'll see those red clips, it will just pull out. So to put it aside, you pull out this plug here. This plug here, you push it up, and so you can put it away. You can put the whole panel away. Okay, then you have those first two. You have connectors here, one row, second row, and the third row, those white ones. You connect those two white ones. They are easy to identify because the connectors are the same. You just pull them out and tap in with this remote starter. I mean only one here. Then another one is here under the steering wheel. It is connected like this, but it is black. It is black color. It is black color. You just pull it out and connect with this one. Easy. You have to take off the cover of the steering wheel from below and up. It's this one. You just turn the steering wheel one side. You have this lower panel unscrew bolt here, and turn steering wheel the other side. Unscrew that one, and you have another one bolt here under the 45 degrees, and you unscrew that one too, and then just pry out beginning from here. You can tap with screwdriver here down, and it unclips on this side. Then you go gently and unclip that clip too on this side and on this side. See how it looks, and off you go. You put that aside. Easy for one who is already making things. So the third connector here is on the right. The fourth connector, you have to tap in to one hybrid power wire. If you don't do this, the remote will start but will shut down immediately. So you have to identify this connector, this ECU connector. On the right side of the steering wheel, it is upper one connector. You see the upper one, and you connect to the 1, 2, 3, 4th, the third wire, which is on the 4th place. It is blue wire. That blue wire, you tap in with that hybrid connector wire. So this one is a bit harder to access, because I did that by removing a bit of this plastic here. From this is airbag cover plastic. It is not airbag itself. Airbag is on the metal housing here, and this is just a cover. So I unplugged these clips here. You just look at these clips here. You push them in and up, so they unclip those 5 clips here, just to add you 2 centimeters, maybe an inch more space to access. You see that one? Okay, it goes down just an inch more of space, so you can go with your hand right here, and there you have that upper one. Oh, it's tight already. Okay, let me zoom in. You need to press with screwdriver on this tab down, and then pull off, and the whole connector goes off. Then you locate that blue wire and you tap in with this connector, with this remote start wire. You see that blue one, it is on 4th position from the top, but one position is empty, so it is the 3rd wire from the top on the left side here, the blue wire. And that's it. It starts just fine. It starts fine. And few good things of this remote starter are that if you forget that wipers on when you stop the vehicle, no, they won't engage when you remote start them. So if windshield is covered with snow, no problem. Even though that wipers are on, they will not engage with the remote start. When you enter the vehicle, when you come to the vehicle, it will unlock and then it will shut down. It is security feature because somebody could broke the window and get access to your vehicle if it wouldn't stop. So it stops, you have to start it with a button to drive. Also, lights are not on when you remote start it, so you won't see it running because there is no indicator from outside. No indication, lights are off, and you won't know it is running. That is maybe, I don't know, good or bad, but that's how it is. That's it, folks. Thank you very much.